So I hope you guys really enjoy the swimwear style fits problems and personal style solutions. My team has gathered a lot of problems that were on the internet as well as asked a couple of people in person and gathered some from my newsletter from my company. I wanted to throw in a couple of extra ones, but I'm not sure. I might just do them like loosely, randomly after this one is posted. But because I feel like this is long enough, I did answer a lot more questions versus the shapewear. But definitely check out MIIEN Consultancy at MIIEN, as MIIEN.co. Go to the website, check it out. Check our Pinterest, that is where we're most active. Follow us on TikTok, that is MIIEN, MIIEN.co. Instagram, I'm not bothering with Instagram. I'm not even gonna tell y'all to follow because we're not on there. They keep deleting our accounts and we are just there just parking our stuff. Definitely follow on YouTube. We're very active. I have some amazing stuff coming down the line. What else is there? Definitely, if you are in search of, you can't see it, but if you are in search of just rediscovering your fashion identity as a professional or just a person, the book is available. What You Mean, Discover Your Fashion Identity. I have written it. And stay tuned for more content. Definitely comment down below. And if you are a designer, come on through. We are opening the gates for co-creator partnerships and also opening services for a couple of things. I'm very excited. I'm excited for a lot of things. Very, very excited. All right, my name is Mikara Reid, fashion consultant, personal stylist, style advisor. There's just so many things, but I hope you enjoy. Definitely like, comment, and we will see you in the next one.